Hi guys, just had a question on how to replace the light bulb in this hob fan, or whatever you call it, extractor fan. So the light bulb's at the back there, and if I remember rightly we just drop this down get that out of the way so we can see what we're doing, but the bulb's just there. Screw in. I don't think we can see what I'm doing at the moment. Lift out? Yeah, that will lift out. There we go. So there's the bulb. So we can just unscrew it. Obviously you shouldn't really do it with the power on, but yeah, there you go. In fact, you'll probably see I'm using a low power LED bulb there rather than the one that was in there originally. I hope that showed it. Let's see if I can just zoom in a little bit more. Is that in focus? Right, so yeah, there we are, having removed the cover. So you ought to have the power off. I'm leaving the power on so we can actually see what I'm doing. Job done. And then we can get this thing back in place. Little tabs on either end go up there in the slots. There we go. Push that back up. Done. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.